Okay, gonna push up for the forward climbing.
Contact. 2 contacts by that cloud.
Okay, Spitfire's diving on Vessel 109.
So I fly
into
in
the
my
sun now,
Hurricane,
on the cap.
going to
And we better get eyes
the
on them.
109s.
Yeah, I have visual, yeah.
Was flying in France.
Okay, we'll just spread out a little bit. I'll go directly onto him, and you'll try to get some altitude before you engage.
And you guys hear them
Okay.
speaking.
Okay, roger that.
Another
I
contact
got hit by
higher.
him, but I'm
Looks like a
alright.
hurricane now.
Yes,
So-
Spitfire's diving again, watch out.
Still to get out, but
Well, they see me.
Yeah, I'm diving behind Falcon.
Okay, he's on somebody again.
what?
You all see I fly now to France and see French Point.
There's another contact, feet wet.
That's me.
He took a lot of hits.
Spinning.
Yeah.
Didn't he?
Okay.
So
Is
one
that
of
him
my
diving
mates is
away
there.
now?
Now he recovered from the spin.
Yeah, he's heading south now, left hand.
I missed.
They are busy with other hurricanes.
Okay, he's trying to climb after me right hand now next to
I'm coming
Whistle.
down.
I have him, I'm coming in.
Yeah, I'll keep him busy.
Falcon is correctly saying everything the other hurricane's doing. That's very good
Okay,
to
there's
do.
also a hurricane on top of him. Watch out.
And now they see
I'm
me.
sneaking up this hurricane, so
Yeah, the Spitfire, I believe, has broken off. He's heading dead west now. Hurricane's still on me.
And
Fixated,
there's the
hopefully.
first enemy. And there's somebody behind me,
Guns.
so you immediately dive away.
Isn't he flying
And turn
east?
around.
He's in front of me.
Yeah, the
Have a
Now
little
hurricane
bit.
braking,
goes
yeah,
down.
diving, yeah. The
Yeah.
Spitfire's diving now. Now he's
Got a bit target
changing
fixation there.
direction to the west, feet wet. He's gonna split S, now he's climbing. Very steep.
There he
Okay,
is.
hurricane stalling.
That's me.
see him.
And the 109 is gone. If you are in a hurricane, stay flying circles.
We're feet wet right over French cliffs, dogfighting.
Yes, you are coming over, Santy.
Nose to nose, now he's shooting at me, he missed.
Yes,
And
there's another one on
There's
trying
another
to
one
help you
flying
right now.
about the nose.
I see him.
Or
Cannot
Falcon,
really
is
catch
that
them
you or
up.
your 6 that hurricane.
I'm just diving, trying to climb up the spit again.
They're all too far away, but they're shooting anyway.
But on the spit.
He got some hits on me, nothing serious.
You see?
And
Yeah,
I
just
think
stay fast and level.
I hit him
There's
a
two
bit.
109s on him now. Okay, he's climbing off.
Trying to do some damage. But of course you have to have the plane all inside and the wings have to match
Okay,
the
still
circle
somebody left hand.
of your aiming device.
A hurricane climbing up to me about Peete. Oh, someone's got him. Nice.
he's determined to shoot me down because I can't
Yeah.
get him off.
Are you doing a good job of waiting out?
So
Hopefully
I'm
get-
behind Santy. Santy now is going up. It's the right thing to do. But that was not so smart. He was just flying across my canopy. Or my nose more.
Okay, he overshot, I'm on him.
Thanks.
He went it.
Cheers, guys. It was tough.
Yeah, you shoot. Did a good job.
More shooting in the distance. Because we're the same level, I cannot catch up with those guys. They're flying fast. The Hurricane isn't that
payback
fast.
time.
If I was in the
I have
Spitfire,
to throw a club now.
I
Has anybody
catch
got
up
this
more.
Hurricane behind?
Yeah, and coming down on someone else hitting them as well.
And
I
then
think.
there's another one on my behind, so I do silly maneuvers. Another hit. No serious damage, but those guys were in E1s.
Okay, now there's
109's E1s only have
109's on
machine
the damaged
guns.
Spitfire. I think he's done now, but we could get that Hurricane that's still on.
Victor, where more or less is he? The Hurricane?
I don't know, somebody was in contact with him before.
Oh,
I see
I'm
flag at
taking hits from maybe it's the Hurricane. No, it's the Spitfire.
a second one.
No.
And somebody shooting on me again. I got
I'm
3
trying
enemies
to find the Hurricane.
on me,
Yeah,
so
he should be somewhere next to that dry field, at least that's where the AAA bursts are. Anybody seen the Hurricane now?
Yeah, we're
What's
engaged.
on the
So
Hurricane? So Hurricane,
Kildren.
Over.
Was it Kildren?
I lost visual of the Hurricane.
Then who killed Kildren? Falcon and Flyby.
I have the Hurricane heading towards PN airfield. Yeah.
you see I stay low now because of the Hurricane's very good camouflage. You
He's
cannot
double
see
back
me,
there. Alright, where's he heading? He's heading
and I hope
east
they
there
pop
now.
up before my nose.
He's on the deck.
Raquel, or what?
No, he's come back in towards Cafe, or heading towards, heading towards Cafe.
And Jackman
You
is
dive in
being
a
probably
right hand
behind
now?
me. He's
Diving
calling
into
me
a
out
left
every
hand
time.
Yeah, I think I see you there.
He keeps out turning.
Yeah, Hurricane's climbing now after you, but he won't make it. Yeah, I see him
Oh god.
coming in from the north.
You see the most experienced pilot, Falcon,
Bloody E1 takes energy. Really kicks over.
is calling all my
coming in there
maneuvers
now.
out to the
Yeah,
other
that's
ones.
me.
What this is a very smart thing to do.
We shoot.
And again I got somebody behind me. Doing more
Come in.
turns,
Second
try
engine.
to get behind him, but not flying very
Did you see how close I kept with you? I deployed flaps when you're in that turn.
And that
so I
was
kept
the end
with
of
you
it.
And I didn't lose much speed, I just deployed a little bit of flaps.
I'm not used
Doing like about 300 in a turn, like tight turn, chasing. Like that.
Well done. Was pretty
And now
rusty.
get yourself reformed as quickly as possible again.
Victor?
Whoever is responsible for coordinating
Well,
it.
that was the end of it. Thanks for your time and
Falcon.
thanks for watching. Hope you learned something from it.
He's responsible.
2
Okay.
contacts over Odenberg, is it?
For Dembele.
Okay, I'm to the 4 o'clock off of 109 with number 6, or I believe it's 6, but I got double marking somehow.
Okay, it could be me.
6 isn't, no, Jigsaw is 15.
I'm
I don't know
16.
who's 6.
Oh, could be